Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you that I was just blown away what Claude Code was able to do. I handed it 2 pages of PDF files inside with 316 products in there. It was able to get me the titles. It was able to get me the SKUs, the wholesale price, the retail price, build me short description, long-term description, images. It was able to scrape me reviews from other websites. It is incredible. It would have taken me easily a month, if not more. So let me show you how I did it. Obviously, I used Claude Code, Nova Mirror, which is MCP that actually just wires right into my WooCommerce website. I'm going to show you that right now. So let's get into it. So these are the 2 files that I was talking about, which one of them is a Physiodermy brand. The other one is Nelly DeVoost right in here. Let me zoom in so you guys could see. It has all this information. Obviously, it has to do with skincare. I own the organicskincare.com, which I'm going to show you in a second. And you could see all these products, all these serums, creams, everything right in here. You could see it has the prices, the retail prices, the wholesale prices. So not only that, I instructed Claude Code to go out and get me images and fill out every single little detail information that it possibly can. Not only that, just it was able to create me categories, subcategories. It was able to match everything and build me SEO for my Yoast plugin. So let me show you. So this is my WordPress website right in here. Okay, let's go into the products. And you could see that it was just built me the other day all these products. You could see right in here, which is really incredible. Look at all these images. I didn't do any of this. Claude Code did every single little product detail. Let me show you how beautiful this is. And you can see it's $19. Obviously, this is a retail price. And it wrote every single detail on this page. So let's actually take a look how it looks live. You see the feature image right in here. You got all the details. It was leaking products right in here. Yoast SEO. Right there, boom. You could see right in here. Look how cool. Look how cool this is. Match right in here. You could see that it was able, I didn't do any of this. Claude Code did every single little bit of this process. And the way it was able to do that, and I'll show you in a second how to get this Nova Mirror right in here. Okay, so you could see the plugin right in here. It builds me just anything from CS codes to custom websites to custom pages. Let me show you the home page, how incredible this is. You can see all this product video, the UGC images that will take you right into the product page. This was built completely with Claude Code, and you get all that for $197, which I'm going to show you in a second. Plus, it was able to build right here this little customer service agent that connected completely to the back end of WooCommerce. It could track your orders. It could track your any kind of information, what the client has purchased products before. And this has Opus, actually ChatGPT and Opus. ChatGPT is the feedback models handling all my customer service. So let me show you. So this is how you'll be able to download Nova Mirror. I'm going to put a link right down below. It's called OpenWP Agent right in here. So you could scroll all the way down, or you could just click on the pricing, and right in here, just simply sign up and it'll be able to download Nova Mirror app, and you will be able to connect your Claude Code and do basically anything. Here I already pre-built many different plugins, and we just still keep building. We build out search plugins, we build out different CSS. One of them we built out, we build out social logins. And we keep building plugins literally every single day. Now, let me show you just one of them. We're working on SEO right in here. So you could see right in here, we're building SEO plugins. So literally we're writing plugins as we speak right now. So this is the dashboard of all 11 agents. You can see there's a blog agent, there's one for social media. And again, we keep building agents. One of them soon going to be ads manager. So you'll be able to write ads, analytics. I mean, we're just nonstop just writing different agents, different functionalities when it comes to WordPress, and just manipulating into custom code to have beautiful websites just like this. And you could see right down here, you could see this incredible animations just scrolling with your products, custom checkouts. You could build again different new arrivals, bestsellers right in here, brand new blog posts every single day being written by you obviously AI, okay, on the latest trends, the latest news, and it compiles, and there's a research agent that will go out again, find the trends, find the latest news, and build you. Let me show you how the blog post looks like. There's beautiful images, okay. And again, this is all to generate traffic, to build results, to bring clients in. And you can see eventually there's going to be products right in here. Look how beautiful this is. Obviously, we'll take you to the product page. And there you go. Hopefully, I'll see you in, you're going to sign up. And I would love to work with you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.